Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by gathering 2 packs ramen, 1 cup sliced vegetables such as bell pepper and carrot, 2 green onions, and 2 cloves minced garlic. Use 2 tablespoon neutral oil and a non-stick or well-seasoned wok. Discard the seasoning packets or set one aside for later. Prepare a simple sauce of 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tsp sugar, 1/2 tsp sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon water. Mix in 1 tsp cornstarch if you want a thicker glaze. Have salt and pepper on hand. Heat the pan until hot and add 2 tablespoon oil. When the oil glistens, add minced garlic and sliced vegetables. Stir-fry the vegetables 3 to 4 minutes until crisp tender, moving them constantly and seasoning lightly with salt and pepper. Push the vegetables to the pan edge, add the pre-cooked ramen, then pour 1 tablespoon of your prepared sauce over the noodles. Toss everything together for 1 to 2 minutes, so the sauce reduces slightly and evenly coats the noodles and vegetables. To finish, drizzle 1 tsp sesame oil and add 1 sliced green onion, tossing once to combine so aroma carries through the dish. If adding protein, stir in 4 oz cooked chicken or shrimp at the vegetable stage, or push ingredients aside and scramble a beaten egg in the pan before mixing everything together. Serve hot straight from the pan with optional chili flakes, 1 tsp sesame seeds, or a squeeze of lime. Leftover ramen stores, refrigerated up to 3 days in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.